Hello everyone! You probably want to make a paper decoration for Halloween. We need scissors, a pencil, and a rectangular sheet of paper. Place the paper in front of you, with the long edge closest to you. Fold the left short edge up to the top long edge. Press with your fingers where the paper is folded. Cut off the extra rectangle on the right side. You don't need it. Turn it so the long side of the triangle is at the bottom. Take the left corner and fold it to the right one. Smooth the folded part with your finger. Turn it again so the long side is on top. Fold the left corner to the right again. Smooth the folded part with your finger. Now the long side should be on the right. Draw the pattern with a pencil. Just follow what I do. Cut out the decoration along the lines. Carefully open it up by pulling the corners. Like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell.